What type of cremation equipment do I need, and what factors should I consider when choosing it? That's an excellent question, and one that's central to starting a successful cremation business or expanding into pet cremation services. Choosing the right cremation equipment, whether for humans or pets, ensures your operation is efficient, compliant, and profitable. Let's walk through the type of equipment you'll need and the key factors to consider when making this decision. Number 1. Types of cremation equipment. The Cremation Retort or Cremation Chamber. The Cremation Retort is the primary piece of equipment where remains are cremated. You'll find systems designed specifically for human cremation, larger, more robust cremation machines that accommodate standard adult remains, pet cremation, smaller capacity units that handle everything from small animals like cats and dogs to larger pets. Some pet cremation systems include divided chambers that allow multiple pets to be cremated simultaneously while keeping remains separate. Secondary combustion systems. Modern cremation retorts include secondary burners to clean emissions and meet environmental standards. This ensures compliance with air quality regulations while minimizing pollutants. Cremation ash processor. After cremation, a cremulator processes the remains into fine, uniform ashes that can be returned to families in urns or keepsakes. Ventilation and exhaust systems. Proper ventilation and exhaust systems are essential for safety and to meet environmental requirements. Number 2, key factors to consider when choosing cremation equipment. Consider these critical factors to ensure you make the right investment. Capacity and volume. How many cremations do you plan to perform daily? For human cremations, an FT retort typically handles 4 to 6 cremations in an 8-hour shift. For pets, smaller retorts are ideal, but volume capabilities matter if demand is high. Consider future growth. Select equipment that allows you to scale operations. 2, fuel source. Most cremation systems run on natural gas or propane, though electric models are emerging for eco-conscious facilities. Choose the fuel option that aligns with your area's infrastructure and energy cost. Number 3, environmental compliance. Regulations for emissions vary by state and locality. Look for cremation machines with advanced filtration systems and secondary combustion chambers to meet environmental standards. Number 4, energy efficiency. Modern systems are built for efficiency, reducing fuel consumption and operational cost. Equipment with better heat retention and shorter cycle times saves time and money. Number 5, space and installation requirements. Ensure your facility has the square footage, ventilation, and zoning approval to accommodate the equipment. Retorts for pet cremation may require less space, but may still need proper setup. Number 6, ease of use and maintenance. Choose systems with user-friendly controls and features like automated cycle monitoring to streamline operations. Regular maintenance is essential, so equipment with accessible components reduces downtime and repair costs. Number 7, reputation and support. Work with a trusted provider, like FT North America, that offers high-quality, durable equipment and ongoing support for installation, training, and maintenance. In conclusion, the type of cremation equipment you need depends on your focus, whether human, pet, or both, and the volume of services you plan to provide. Prioritize capacity, efficiency, compliance, and support when making your decision. At FT North America, we provide state-of-the-art cremation retorts and systems tailored to your business needs, along with guidance every step of the way. If you have questions about equipment specs or installation, drop them in the comments.